Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Romance Saja in his demon form. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off near the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's draw two small angles, leaving a gap in the center. And then let's curve it out on top. And a small curve down and in from the ends. Now top underneath and let's draw a curve. Now inside each eye, let's draw two curves down, meeting at a point for the pupils. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop on top and let's draw the eyebrows. Let's start with the curve up and out. A small line up in the center. And curve it out on top. Now we're going to hop out and let's draw the shape of the face. Let's start on the sides next to the eyes and let's draw two long angles down. And then let's curve it in at the bottom. And a curve across for the chin. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a small curve in the middle for the nose. And a longer one underneath for the mouth. And then a small bump underneath for the bottom lip. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop up and let's draw the hair. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw a curve up and bring it down to the eyes. And then let's curve it up at the ends. Now let's hop back to the center and let's draw a curve underneath on both sides. Now let's move on top and let's draw two curves up and bring it down. Now before we continue the hair, let's draw a long curve across the top for the brim of the hat. Now underneath the brim, let's draw a curve down to the side of the head and curve it up. And the same on the other side. Now underneath, let's draw a bump down and in for the ears. And then one more curve on each side to close off the top part of the hair. And that's it for the hair for now. Now we're going to hop up and let's draw the hat. From the sides of the brim, let's draw a curve in underneath on both sides. Now let's hop back on top and let's draw a curve across. Now for the top section of the hat, let's draw two angles up and in on top. And close off the top with a curve across. And lastly, inside this top section, let's add one more curve across the bottom. And that's it for the hat. Now we're going to hop underneath and start drawing the body. Underneath the head, let's draw two curves down and out for the neck. And then let's angle it out for the shoulders. Now that we have the shoulders, let's hop back up and let's finish drawing the back of the hair. Underneath the ears, let's draw a curve down and bring it up. And then another point on both sides. And one more curve down to the shoulders. And that's it for the hair. Now let's hop back down and let's continue the body. Let's angle it down and in on both sides. Then let's bring it down for the sides of the torso. And a curve across the bottom. Now let's hop in and let's draw another curve at the bottom for the waistband. Next, let's add the details to the shirt. Let's hop to the top and let's draw 2 lines down. And a line across the bottom. And then let's hop out and let's do the same thing. Now let's hop inside the top section and let's draw an angle down. And then on top, another angle from the top left. And now underneath, let's draw a line down in the center. Now let's hop in and let's draw the buttons. Inside the top section, let's draw a line across and a small circle on each end. And now let's add 3 more underneath in the same way. And that's it for the torso. Now let's hop out and draw the arms. From the shoulders, let's draw an angle down. And another one on the inside. And close off the end of each sleeve with a curve across. Now underneath for the hands, let's draw a curve down and up. And then for the next finger, let's curve it the opposite direction and up. Now let's add another finger next to it by curving it down and up like this. Another one again in the same way. And then one more starting up at the sleeves and in. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now we're going to hop back up and draw the string of the hat. Let's start under the hair on top of the ears and let's draw a curve down, across the belly, and up to the other side. Now to add the beads, let's start on the top and let's draw a black circle on both sides. Then let's leave a gap and let's draw 2 circles next to each other. And now let's work our way down, alternating between 1 bead and then 2. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move down and let's draw the legs. Let's start on both sides of the waist and let's draw a long curve down. And then let's hop to the center and let's draw 2 curves down and out to close off each side. Now in the middle here, let's draw 2 angles down, keeping them close together. And then let's curve it out and up underneath both sides. Now for the bottom of the pant legs, let's draw 2 lines down underneath each leg. And a curve across. And that's it for the legs. Now we're going to hop back up and we're going to draw the charms hanging down from the belt. Let's start inside the waistband on the right and let's draw 2 lines down. And then a line down on the right side and a longer one on the left. Now underneath each side, let's draw a diamond shape. Now let's add another line down again and a longer one on the left. And again, 2 small diamonds. Now underneath both sides, let's draw a small line again. And then for the end, let's add a tassel by drawing a line across. 2 angles down. And close it off at the bottom. And then let's add a few lines going down inside. And that's it for the charms. Lastly, let's move to the bottom and draw the feet. Let's start with 2 lines down underneath in the center. Now top out and let's draw an angle down and out. And then let's curve it out and down. Now let's close off the bottom of each foot with a line across. And lastly, inside each foot, let's draw another line across at the bottom. And that's it for Demon Romance. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!